So yeah, basically what I'm doing today is I'm shooting in 4K 24 on the Sony RX100 VII. This is again probably going to be a pretty boring video. Pretty much only doing it to practice. I'm trying to get better at video for my other site, which is Recipe Reviewed, recipereviewed.com, and a YouTube channel of the same name that I think would be fun to do. And I've been doing it, but I kind of suck at it. And the only thing I really suck at is the video portion. Like, I'm actually decent at cooking, and I'm decent at being an idiot on camera, and, you know, pretty much all the other prerequisites for doing a YouTube channel and website about cooking food and trying different recipes, but I'm honestly just not very damn good at video. So I'm pretty much forcing myself to make video after video after video until I suck less at it. So don't expect this one to be very interesting, to be completely honest, because it's really just practice. But I'm going to keep putting them out there so that I can look back and see my progress or lack thereof and, you know, kind of go from there. And also I'm shooting on the Sony because I do have something coming that is very similar to the RX100, but more oriented towards video. So I'm trying to get used to, you know, dealing with the files from the RX100 and the color that comes out of it and the handling and stuff like that, just to kind of get a feel for it for when the secret new camera comes, which honestly isn't that much of a secret. Pretty much anybody that is following cameras can figure out what I've ordered, but I'll let that be a quote-unquote secret. So anyway, here's another crappy video. Right now, I'm going to go to Kroger and pick up some groceries curbside. It's gonna be fucking insane. Now, I'm waiting at Kroger. Pretty impressive. Now I've found my sunglasses, so I will look much cooler. You're welcome. As is pretty much always the case, I got completely screwed. I ordered some boar's head ham for ham sandwiches, also some cheese and some bread and stuff like that, you know, sandwich stuff. They gave me everything except for the ham, which will make some pretty crappy sandwiches. I'm doing chicken and chickpea masala with no chickpeas, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, pretty much the standard these days. I guess I'm just gonna have to deal. I've now been reduced to eating Taco Bell for lunch. So today I'll be making grocery store salmon, accompanied by canned green beans with rice from a bag. That's right. Everyone calm down.
Oh, I was you, Buddy, the first time.
It was me, actually. Did you do your own makeup?
No.
No? Somebody else did that to you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't know why I don't believe you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I've shot a lot of videos, and for the sake of your sanity, I've left out the vast majority of them, but I think I've learned some things. I think that I basically just need more time to shoot so that it looks better. I need to plan way ahead to shoot better video, set up each shot. I probably need to learn to use manual mode better, or at least program auto or some bullshit like that. P something, there's a bunch of letters, none of this matters. But basically I think time is the main factor and continuing to practice. So unfortunately that means that you're going to be subjected to way more videos, especially when I get my new camera. So you have that to look forward to. Enjoy. You know, why not also do the GoPro? Because this is kind of my dicking around, let's see how cameras look kind of action. So like Why not try all the cameras that I have? And the GoPro numbers amongst my cameras. So this is the Hero 8 Black, also 4K 24. Yeah, a media mod microphone, the shotgun frontman thing. And that should also be enough. Bye. Out of curiosity, I figured I should see what my iPhone 11 Pro front camera looks and sounds like in comparison. It is this. Gonna be kind of annoyed if it's better. Let's get some different lighting going on. Hello, lights. Cool. Cool. That should be enough.